Boogles Bookkeeper explains solicitor accounts rules, the difference between the client account and the office account. So this short video is just going to look at the difference between a client account and an office account pertaining to the UK solicitors accounts rules. Okay, so why do solicitors have special rules? Well, largely it's because it's to protect the public from solicitors who might run off with very large sums of money. And so they have to have a client account to keep the money separate from their office account, and their office account is to do with their own monies coming in and out, and the client's monies must be kept separate. So it really is just to protect the public. So a client account. Client accounts are used for money held or received for a client or a trustee. And a client is the person or the company that the solicitor is acting for. The money could be for someone not the client, for example, a liquidator, power of attorney, or an unpaid professional disbursement, for example, to pay interpreters or surveyors or expert witnesses. An office account, on the other hand, is for all money which belongs to the solicitor or their firm. It includes money received for disbursements which the solicitor has already paid or hasn't yet paid but has incurred the liability. For example, land registry if you're engaging a solicitor to do conveyancing. Money received for fees or for agreed fees is office money. For example, Sonia the solicitor is holding client money of £1,000 for Carl the client. Sonia makes a payment of £200 for Carl. She pays the process server, so she pays an amount on his behalf. So in her books of accounts, we've got the name of the client and the matter. So that could be conveyancing, it could be family, could be litigation, could be anything. And what we have is an opening balance and the date, and then what they've paid, which is the process server, and it's come from the client accounts. Initially there was a credit balance of £1,000 because she was holding this money on his behalf. She's paid it out to the process server, and so in the client account of Carl we now have £800. So that's what it looks like on that side. And then on the process server side, there was nil to begin with. It's been paid through the client account and it's £200 process server on behalf of the account of Carl Sholton. That's £200. So that's just an example of the difference between a client account and an office account. Boogles Bookkeeping for Solicitors, we have solicitors accounts rules courses available on CD, so we don't just do client and office account, but we look at disbursements, we look through worked examples. There's a booklet that comes with it, we do it all together, and you follow the CD and the instructions, and the answers are actually in the answer booklet too. If you take a look at www.boogles.org, you will see more information about this home study solicitors accounts rules course. That's Boogles Limited in association with Core Legal, exclusive services for the legal profession.